Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from this, and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with cheating, and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
Good evening all. I hope you're all doing well.
Yes, hi Susmita, good evening.
Hi sir, good evening. So actually today is the last day for the SDP on cloud computing. So till 8:10 you can take the class, sir. After 8:10, so the students will be having an assessment. So on the chat in both Zoom and YouTube. They can take an assessment.
But see, I need at least 2 hours because I need to complete 2 things: monitoring setup and complete CI/CD pipeline. Only 1 hour is not sufficient.
Okay, till 8:30 you can close it, sir.
Okay, 8:30 I will try to complete.
Yeah, okay, sir, no problem. Please close it as 8:30. After 8:30, actually, you have to give an assessment.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir. You can start.
Yes. Hey guys, good evening. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Can someone confirm the chat box? Yeah, thank you. So in last class we have discussed about what how we can able to create a cluster in real-time environment, how we can able to deploy a full stack application, how we can able to see the resources, how we can able to enter the data, how we can able to enter into the pod, how we can able to see the users data, which is going to stored inside the our MongoDB database server. See all these things in last class we have discussed. So today we are going discussing about how to create a complete CI/CD pipeline, how to automate entire application development process, then how we can able to deploy any application into the cluster via using Jenkins pipeline. And also we need to set up a monitoring for our application which is going to be deployed into our Kubernetes cluster. So these things today we are going to have to discuss. See, today I will go a little fast. Just just look at the screen. Just cover it for today. Let me share my screen. So today I'm going to discussing about Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. So first, let me set up a Jenkins CI/CD pipeline. One second. Yeah. So first, let me explain how to set up a Jenkins pipeline. See, if you want to set up a Jenkins pipeline, what you need? So firstly, you need one virtual machine. Let me increase the font size. Firstly, you need one virtual machine. You need one virtual machine. Then you need one cluster. So these two things you have to set up. So already we have discussed yesterday class how we can able to set up a cluster. So now let me set up a cluster because of it will take 10 minutes for creating. So once after setting up completed, then we will discuss how to set up a Jenkins server, how to create a pipeline. See, in Jenkins pipeline, we are going to discussing about setting up Docker and Kubernetes. Docker and K8s. Why? Because of SonarQube already we have discussed how to set up a SonarQube pipeline with Jenkins with Kubernetes with Jenkins pipeline. Already we have discussed. So that's why today I'm not going to creating a stage for SonarQube because of as we have less time. So that's why I'm going to explaining how to create a pipeline for Docker and Kubernetes. Then how Jenkins pipeline will deploy your application in a container, then how the Jenkins pipeline will deploy your application into the Kubernetes cluster. So these things you have to understand. So let me explain first creating the cluster. Let me create one EC2 instance. Let me create one EC2 instance. So I need two servers. One is for Kubernetes, one is for Jenkins. So that's why I'm not giving any name for the server. So at a time I can create two servers. So I'm choosing Ubuntu operating system. The entire process has been documented. Don't bother about each and every step I have documented, including the images also. Then instance number of instances 2 only. Click on the launch instances. Okay, let me name it 2 instances. One is for KADS, one is for Jenkins. So first let me set up Kubernetes cluster. Let me connect. Before that, let me check firewall group. Okay, 22 alt is okay. That's it. Click, connect. Then appearance, change, 14. Okay. connection 60. So first let me become as a root user. Then let me update my operating system. So meanwhile, let me get I am user. We need access keys. Yesterday we have discussed. So we need access keys as well. K80 user is available, so no need. So let me first install AWS CLI. Install AWS CLI on Ubuntu. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Then look for the Linux. Just copy the commands. Okay, I copied. Before copying this command, we should install unzip software. Enter. It is going to installing unzip or tool. Then copy and paste it your AWS CLI installation commands. So meanwhile, let me get EKSCTL. Install EKSCTL on Ubuntu. Click on the first link. Copy this command, entire command. Now come to the server. Let me check AWS space hyphen version. Okay, version is visible. Now install EKSCTL. Meanwhile, let me get commands for installing kubectl. Installing kubectl, hit the enter, click on the first link, slowly scroll down, copy the first command, go to the server, just paste it, hit the enter, copy the next command, copy this command, come to the server, just paste it, hit the enter, then copy the next command, copy, come to the server, just paste it, hit the enter, okay. Now let me install kubectl. Copy this command, come to the server, just paste it, hit the enter. Now we have to check the kubectl version, whether it is installed or not. Kubectl version, yes, it's installed. So now let me configure AWS. Let me configure AWS access keys. Okay, let me open my access keys. Come to here, K80 user access keys. Open it. Copy the access key firstly. Come to the server, paste it. Then secret access key as well. Copy. Come to the server, paste it. So region, let me specify which in which region I'm in. Let me come back. EC2 dashboard. Look for the EC2 instances. Okay, Sydney. I'm inside the Sydney region. Okay, Sydney region. What is the region name? AP-South-East. So AP-Southeast-2. Specify the region name. Enter. Now let me get the cluster creation command. So this is the cluster creation command. So let me change the cluster. K80s hyphen demo hyphen cluster. Node group name also. Let me change only K80s hyphen node. So let me copy the command. And also I need to change region name. Copy the region name. Come to the notepad. Replace with the actual region name. So similarly, you need to change here also. Here also you need to change. So let me copy the container command. Come to the terminal. Just paste it. Yeah. So this is the right command. Now hit the enter. Okay, now it is going to creating the cluster. So now let us set up Jenkins pipeline. Okay, let me connect the Jenkins server, copy the host address, or take new session, appearance, change, font size 16, connection 606, auth credentials, click, choose your key pair, open, accept. Okay, so let me install, or let me update my OS. Yeah, it will update. Meanwhile, let us copy Jenkins commands. So install Jenkins on Ubuntu OS. Click on the first link. Although we have discussed how to set up a Jenkins server, so that's why I'm going little fast. Click on the Debian Ubuntu. Copy all these commands. Now come to the Jenkins server. Still it is updating. I think today also it will take more time. Okay, clear the screen. Let me execute Jenkins installation commands. Okay, it is going to installing. Meanwhile, okay, let me confirm by hit the enter. So meanwhile, let me copy the Java installation command. Copy this command, updation command. Now come to the Jenkins server. Still it is installing. I think it will take more time. Just check the Kubernetes cluster status. Okay, still it is installing. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. Let me update. So meanwhile, let me install Java. Copy this command. Come to the server. Just paste it. Hit the enter. Just type Y. Hit the enter. It is going to installing the Java. So once you have to check the Java version, you will get output like this. Let me check the Java version after installing it. Okay, it's installed. Let me check Java version. Java space hyphen version. See, Java has been installed. So now let me enable Jenkins server. Slowly scroll down, look for start Jenkins. Copy the enable command. Just come to here, paste it. Then start command. Copy the start command, come to here, just paste it. No problem. For start, after enabling the Jenkins server, for starting, it will take around 3-4 minutes. So after 3-4 minutes, again, we need to execute the start command. Then Jenkins will start. So meanwhile, let us get the application repository. Meanwhile, let us get the application repository. But yesterday we have applied one retail application. So same application you can try because it's a good application. Copy. Then change the master branch. Okay. Now, okay, we have a repository. Then we need to configure our Jenkins server. See, inside the Jenkins server, you need to understand about inside the Jenkins server. In Jenkins server, you should install following the things. So let me explain. So firstly, you should install Docker on Jenkins server. Then you should install AWS CLI, and you need to configure access keys as well. Because of you have to give access, you have to give Kubernetes access to the Jenkins server. So then only Jenkins will deploy your application into the Kubernetes cluster. So that's why you need to configure access keys, AWS access keys. And also you have to install kubectl, because of Jenkins has to communicate with the Kubernetes cluster. So how can you communicate with the Kubernetes cluster? By using kubectl only. Kubectl is a command interface. How we can able to communicate with our cluster? So that is the reason only we should install Docker, we should install AWS CLI, we should install kubectl. So let me explain. So come to the Jenkins server. Now you can execute start command. Okay, still it is not starting. We need to wait some more minutes. So just wait a few minutes. Okay, let me execute start command now. No go. Okay, now it is not starting. Just we need to wait few more minutes. It will take time to start. Okay, meanwhile, let's gather the commands for installing Docker. So we need to install Docker. How can we install Docker? Just type Docker install on Ubuntu. So click on the first link. So we should execute these commands. We should execute Docker apt repository command, then Docker packages command. So these two steps commands we have to execute. So let me check again, start command. Okay, now it is starting. Jenkins is starting. So meanwhile, let me copy status command. Copy the status check command, come to the server. Now check the status. See, it is active and running. So now you can access the Jenkins server by using the public IP address of your Jenkins server. So copy the public IP address, open the new tab, provide the IP address, colon, what is the port number of Jenkins? 8080. So now you need to get administrator password. So already we have discussed how to get the administrator password. So let me explain again. So copy this location. In this location, your administrator password of Jenkins is available. So let me cat command, then space, provide your path, then copy. This is the Jenkins administrator password. Provide it, click on the continue. So please go with first option because of Jenkins knows better than us. So that's why click on install suggested plugins. So it will take 2-3 minutes for installing all plugins. So meanwhile, let's take a look on our cluster. So still it is installing. It will take two more minutes. So meanwhile, let me get the document. I have a document for monitoring setup. Let me show you. Yesterday only I have uploaded the project document and monitoring document in the repository. I have created a repository for you guys. See, in the same document, yeah, XLR25 batch. If I open this, if you open this repository, look for, yeah, retail application Kubernetes document. So in this document, I have documented how to set up a cluster, how to deploy the application, how to read Jenkins server, how to deploy an application in Jenkins cluster. So, and also how can you integrate Kubernetes cluster with Jenkins? All these steps has been documented in this document. So, and also how to set up monitoring. See in the document also, I have documented everything. How can you able to set up your monitoring? How can you able to install all these things? How can you monitor your application? All the steps has been documented, including with images and steps. So don't bother about it. Okay. Now let me take a look on Jenkins server. Where is Jenkins server? Okay, still it is installing. Meanwhile, look for Kubernetes cluster. Still it is installing. It is going to installing. Till it's installing, we need to wait. Okay, see, cluster has been created. So now you can install monitoring stack on our cluster. We should install monitoring Slack. So let me explain how you can able to set up a monitoring stack. It may be Prometheus and Grafana. Yesterday we have a discussion. We had a discussion. What is Prometheus? What is Grafana? What is the purpose of Prometheus? What is the purpose of Grafana? All these things. So in today's class, we are going to discussing about how to install Prometheus and Grafana on your cluster for monitoring of your application. So let me open the document. Let me open the document. Yeah, see, firstly, you need to set up a Helm. If not install, just set up a Helm. So copy this command. Because of by using Helm only, we are going to installing Prometheus and Grafana. So Helm is a Kubernetes package manager. Okay, it's done. Then give ls. Yeah, see, Helm shell file is available. So now let me come to the document, copy the next command. So you need to give some file permissions. So let me come to here, just hit the enter. If you give ls, see the file has been changed into green color. Previously it is in white color. That means I have given some executable permissions. So that is the purpose of this command. So now let me execute this command. So this command will install Helm. Just hit the enter. See, it is installing Helm. See, Helm install into this location. If you check the Helm version by using the Helm version command, see, copy the command, come to the cluster. Remember, you have to install monitoring stack on cluster, not on Jenkins server. Don't get confused. See, version is available. Same, whatever you are seeing the image here, same image I have documented here. Look at screen. Yeah, same. Then you need to add Prometheus and Grafana Helm repository. So copy this command, come to your Kubernetes cluster, paste it, hit the enter. See, Prometheus community has been added to your repositories. So what is the next command? You should execute Helm repo update. So let me update my Helm repo for monitoring stack. See, it is updating. Successfully got an update, then update complete. Okay, now let me go to the document. See, same document here also. Install Prometheus using Helm. So now you can install Prometheus. So copy this command, come to the cluster, create a namespace for monitoring. See, monitoring namespace has been created. So go to the document, just copy this command, copy, Then come to the Kubernetes server, just paste it. See, Helm is going to be installed in the monitoring namespace. Wait. There is an error. Helm install Prometheus. No JSON file. Let me check. Helm install. Let me come to the cluster. Just give up arrow. Okay, Helm install Prometheus. Prometheus open community. Then -hyphen namespace. Hit the enter. Okay, there is an issue. Let me resolve. Helm list. Okay, there is no any list. Okay, so let me get another command, another document. I have another document. The command is wrong. I will update the document. Don't bother. Monitoring setup. Yes, open it. Yeah. Copy the first command. Let me copy. Come to the cluster. Just paste it. Okay, already exists. Now let me update this command. Come to the Kubernetes cluster. It's updated. Then let me update. Come to the cluster, paste it, hit the enter. Sorry, there is a typo mistake. Sorry, I haven't copied complete command. So let me copy complete command, come to here, update. So now it is updating. Then copy the next command. So you have to execute this command. It is a complete command. Come to the server. So let me delete monitoring namespace because of already I have created kubectl delete ns monitoring namespace. Monitor. Okay, namespace has been deleted. Now we can execute the command. Paste it, hit the enter. Now it is going to installing Prometheus. Why it is giving mapping are not allowed in this context? Cube Prometheus. One second, let me check. Kubectl initial Prometheus community stack -hyphen namespace monitoring -create namespace. Command is correct. Install. Okay, line 1. There is an issue with line 1. So let me ls. Let me check the Helm list. Repo is not available. Helm repo. Helm repo list. Okay. Let me uninstall kubectl get all -n monitoring. Okay, no resources found. So let me uninstall. Help uninstall. Let me uninstall it. Release not loaded. Okay. Let me get official command. Prometheus and Grafana, Helm repository, Helm chart. Click the second link. This is not the right command. Click on the first link. Scroll down. Yeah. So copy these commands. Come to the Kubernetes cluster. Okay. Come to the Helm chart. Install Helm chart. Okay, Helm repo. Helm list. It is not there. Let me copy this command, paste it, hit the enter. Okay, give up arrow. Okay, we will resolve this issue later. Meanwhile, let me set up Jenkins pipeline. Check, check. Helm repo list. kubectl apply -f mapping. There is an issue. Okay, let's set up a pipeline. So come to the Jenkins server. Okay, still plugins are installing. Okay, still plugins are installing. kubectl get ns. Monitoring namespace is not there. Execute the command one by one again. Why it is not getting? Copy the command. Okay. Helm repo update. It is updated. Copy this command. Let me adjust the command. Now copy. Come to the cluster, paste it. Mapping values are not allowed in this context. Just get pods. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, no problem. Let's see what about Jenkins. It is installing the plugins. Just wait a few minutes. Till it is installing the plugins. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I'm sharing screen again. Let me try with different commands. Copy this command. It's already exited. Repo exited. Update the repo. Okay. Let's try what will happen. Yeah. It has been deployed. So let me go the second last command. Come to the Kubernetes cluster. Execute. Yeah. See, both Prometheus and Grafana has been deployed. So now you can see all pods in the namespace of monitoring. So I will provide I will update these commands in the document. Don't worry. Just paste it. Check the pods. See, all pods are running of our Prometheus and Grafana. So let me update these commands with the document. So these are the commands. You can use these commands for installing Prometheus and Grafana. So then look for the Kubernetes cluster. So if you check kubectl get all -n monitoring. See, pods are running, services are running, daemon set is available, deployments available, replication available, stateful sets also available. So still one pod is pending. We need to wait. Okay, still one pod is pending. Why it is in waiting state? Let me check how many nodes are there. kubectl get nodes. 3 nodes are there, then why it is still getting pending? Let me describe why it is in pending. Describe the pod. Describe pod. Copy the pod name. Then mention namespace. Monitoring. Monitoring. Okay, nodes are unavailable. Nodes are unavailable. Okay, let me check again. Okay, still it is in pending state. So let me increase another node. So there is a node issue. Let me go to the cluster. Just type EKS. Click. Open the cluster. You click on the compute. We need to increase one more node. So that is the reason. Add node group. Open the node. Yeah, just come back. Click on the compute. Add node group. You need to create another node. So provide a name. KATS-new node. Come down. Come down. Come down. Come down. Click on the next. Then, okay, Amazon type. AMI type is Amazon Linux. No, not Amazon Linux. We should choose Ubuntu Linux. Okay, Amazon Linux is fine. Amazon Linux, Windows Server. Okay. Then on demand, instance type T2 medium, not T3 medium. T2 medium. Remove the T3 medium instance. Okay, disk size 20, design state to 2, that's it. So now let me click on the enable node auto repair, then click on the next. Then click on create node group. Come down, click on create. Yeah, node group is creating, so it will take time. So meanwhile, the all monitoring parts will came up running. Don't bother about. Now let me set up a Jenkins pipeline. Come to here. Still, it is installing the plugins. Why this today taking this much of time? So just do refresh. Node group is still creating. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Then check Jenkins history instance. I have given sufficient memory, sufficient RAM. Still, it's creating. Meanwhile, let me check node. Still it's creating. Why today taking this much time? Meanwhile, let me check the node group. Okay, it is active. Now go to your cluster, check nodes. How many nodes are there? Yeah, new node is came up 75 seconds ago, 70 seconds ago. Two nodes are created. Now check your monitoring pods. Okay, now let me delete all pods. kubectl delete pods -all monitoring. Now let me check monitoring stack pods. Why these pods are still in pending? I have created another nodes as well. Only Prometheus Alert Manager, Prometheus server. kubectl describe the pod. Prometheus server. Then -n namespace monitoring. Nodes are available. Pad has unbound immediate persistent value claim. Pairing 0, 5 nodes are available. 5 preemption is not helpful. So let me check. Kubernetes deployment. kubectl edit deployment. Then mention the deployment. Then mention -o YAML monitoring. Look for the volumes. Where are the volumes? Okay, volumes are correct. Let me remove. Okay, no problem. Let me close. Okay, so let me expose Grafana as load balancer. So we should expose Grafana Prometheus as a load balancer. See why we should expose Prometheus as a load balancer? Because we need to access the Prometheus. So by default, Prometheus is exposing cluster IP. See, cluster IP. So that's why you should expose Prometheus as a load balancer. So by using this command, you can able to expose Prometheus as a load balancer. So let me copy the command. So this command will help to expose Grafana Prometheus as a load balancer. Come to the cluster, just paste it. So just you need to match the actual service name of Prometheus. So this is our Prometheus name, Prometheus service name. What is Prometheus -cube Prometheus Prometheus? Where is the name? Prometheus alert manager, Prometheus alert manager. Yeah, this is our Prometheus server, Prometheus server. So you should replace the name. So let me replace. Remove, paste it, hit the enter. See, it's patched. If you check, you should get all. See, Prometheus has been exposed as load balancer. So this is the load balancer of Prometheus. So copy the external IP address. Go to the open new tab. Just paste it. Colon. Put the Prometheus port number is 3000. 80. Prometheus port number is 80. So copy the port number 80. Just paste it, hit the enter. Prometheus port number 3000, not 80. It will take time to loading the Prometheus. Let me configure the, let me copy the external IP address. Come to here, just paste it. No. Let me check the firewall. Where is the KATS? Okay, port, let me check. Okay, port number is already enabled. Don't bother about. Okay, still it is loading. So meanwhile, let me expose Grafana. Let me expose Grafana. Then let me expose Grafana as a load balancer. Copy this command. Come to the cluster. Just paste it. Look for the Grafana service. You need to cross-check the name. So same Grafana service name only here you need to provide. So where is the Grafana service? Yeah, this is the Grafana service. Okay, same name only. No need to change. Hit the enter. So it's patched. Now let me check. You should get all. Yeah, say Grafana has been exposed as load balancer. So copy this external IP address. Go to the new tab. Go to the new tab. Just paste it. Access the Grafana. Okay, Grafana is not accessible. Let me check. HTTP. Okay, it will take time to loading. So meanwhile, look for the Jenkins. Okay, let me provide the admin. Let me provide the pass. Let me provide the pass. Let me provide the name. Let me configure my email at gmail.com. So click on save and continue. Click on save and finish. Click on start using Jenkins. Okay, so we have a Jenkins server. So now you need to configure Docker and Kubernetes. So for that, you should install Docker plugins and Kubernetes plugins. So how can you install? Click on the plugins. Click on available plugins. So just type for Docker. Okay, these all plugins I have documented. Just no problem. Select the Docker related plugins. So these plugins enough. Yeah. Meanwhile, let me select Kubernetes plugin also. Kubernetes. So you should select Kubernetes plugins. Slowly scroll down. Look for Kubernetes plugins. Select this plugin, this plugin, this plugin, this plugin, this plugin. That's it. Only these many plugins are required. And also, you need to select AWS credentials as well. AWS credential plugin. AWS credential plugin. Yeah, this one. Because of we need to upload, we need to configure AWS access keys. So that's why you should select AWS plugin also. So what are the plugins we need? Docker plugins and Kubernetes plugins and AWS credential plugin. So let me install all plugins. Yeah. So it will install all plugins. Meanwhile, we have discussed we should install Docker, AWS CLI, and kubectl on Jenkins server. So let me install Docker and kubectl. So let me get the commands of Docker. So this is the Docker commands. Come to the Jenkins server, just paste it, hit the enter. See, Docker is going to installing. Meanwhile, copy the second command. Come to here, just come to the Jenkins server, paste it, hit the enter. Docker is going to installing. So meanwhile, let me check Kubernetes pods, monitoring pods. Okay, still one pod is still in pending. Just do refresh. Do refresh. Okay, see Grafana is accessible. So meanwhile, let me check Prometheus as well. See, Prometheus is still not accessing. Yeah. See, Prometheus default username and password is admin. Okay. Let me get a Prometheus Grafana password. So there is option. So copy this command. To get the password, you should use this command. Okay. Copy this command. We need a Grafana password. So copy this command, come to here, just paste it. So this is the password. Copy this is the password up to here. So this is the password. Come to the Grafana. Username is admin, password is different. Just paste it your password. Click on login. See, I have logged in into the Grafana. So Grafana will provide or will create amazing dashboards for your application. So let me, okay, Prometheus is not accessible still now. Let me check. So meanwhile, let us continue. So let me check Docker version. Docker space ---- version. Okay, Docker is installed. Meanwhile, let me install kubectl as well. So we have to install kubectl into the Kubernetes Jenkins server. So these are the commands, Kubernetes kubectl commands. Copy this command, come to the Jenkins server, paste it, hit the enter. So meanwhile, copy the second command. Copy this command, come to the Jenkins server, paste it. Then come to the copy the next command, come to here, paste it. Then copy the next command. So you should install in kubectl. Come to the Jenkins server, paste it, hit the enter. Then you can check the version. Check the version. Don't get confusion. I have documented everything. Don't bother about. So then install AWS CLI. Where is the AWS CLI? This is the AWS CLI command. Copy. Come to the Jenkins server. Before installing AWS CLI, you should install unzip software. Unzip-y. Hit the enter. See, it is installing unzip software. Then you can install AWS CLI. Hit the enter. See, it is going to installing AWS CLI. Meanwhile, you can work with the monitoring. Just do refresh. No. Okay. No need to access Prometheus. Don't bother about. You can work with the Kubernetes, Grafana only. So Grafana is accessible. Monitoring stack has been deployed in Kubernetes cluster. So if you check kubectl, 1 second. If you check kubectl get all, say all resources are available except alert manager. Don't bother about. So now let me explain. Still it is accessing. No. Okay. So this is the Grafana server. So here you can able to create a dashboards for your application. But we didn't deploy any application. So that's why it is not possible to set up a dashboard for your application. After deploying the application, then we can set up a dashboard. So right now, let me go with Jenkins pipeline. Yeah, still plugins are installing. We need to wait. So meanwhile, let me open the document. How to integrate Kubernetes with Jenkins. How to integrate Kubernetes with Jenkins. How to connect AKS cluster with Jenkins. Open this document. We can go with actual document only. So this is our actual document. See, no, not this one. Yeah, I will upload this document as well. Don't bother about. Yeah, see, we have installed all plugins: AWS CLI, Kubernetes client, all these plugins, including AWS credentials. So after installing the credentials or plugins, so just come to the. You should execute these commands before. You should execute these commands. Yeah, these commands. So let me check plugins. Still plugins are installing. So meanwhile, let me configure AWS access keys. So let me configure AWS access keys on Jenkins server. Click. Sorry, there is a typo mistake. Configure. Okay, copy the access key ID. Remember, same access keys only you have to provide in both Kubernetes cluster and Jenkins server. So then only Jenkins will access your Kubernetes cluster. Then Jenkins can deploy your application. So specify the region name as well. Where is my region name? This is the region name. Copy. Come to the Jenkins server, paste it, hit the enter. That's it. So now let me go to the document. So you should execute this command. Why you need to execute this command? Because you should copy kubeconfig file from where for Kubernetes cluster from Kubernetes cluster into your Jenkins cluster. we have to copy kubeconfig file. Why we need to understand about kubeconfig file? Because kubeconfig file only will have your cluster API endpoint. So that is the reason only we have to call, we have to execute this command. So this command will help to copy. This command will help to copy your kubeconfig file from Kubernetes cluster to the Jenkins. So that is the reason only we should execute this command. Copy the region name, specify the region name, then mention your actual cluster name. What is my actual cluster name? Let me get the Kubernetes cluster name. So this is my cluster name. Copy the cluster name, then come to here, just paste it, hit the enter. See, you look at my screen, add a new context. So that means in this location, my kubeconfig file is available. So let me go to the document. So once you execute this command, you need to follow these commands. So let me execute one by one. These all are permissionable commands. So execute one by one. Come to document. These commands all available in the main project document, which I uploaded yesterday. So these commands also available. Don't bother about. Then copy the next command. You need to become as a Jenkins user. Copy, come to here, just paste it. So let me copy the next command. So you need to configure again AWS access keys. So let me configure. Then copy the AWS access keys. Copy the access key ID, come to your Jenkins server, paste it. So then copy secret access key ID. So 2 times you have to provide access keys in Jenkins server. Why? Firstly, you should provide as a root user. Secondly, you should provide as a Jenkins user. So that's why 2 times you should provide AWS access keys. So let me copy the region name, just paste it, hit the enter. That's it. So now let me exit from the Jenkins user. Okay, let me go to the document. So now you see same document here. So let me go down. So you should execute this command. That means you need kubeconfig file. So copy this command. If you give ls, see there is a config file. So you should provide this config file in Jenkins credential. So that's why I need this config file. So let me copy this kubeconfig file. See from where you have to copy, look at the screen. So from API version only. So this is the command cat config from API version up to command AWS. So please make sure you have to copy complete config file. So let me copy this. Already I have copied. Now let me go to the documents. So create one document. Already have created. Yeah. See, let me open this in Notepad. Create one document, one file. Then this is my old kubeconfig file. Remove this one, paste the new one. Then save all. So let me close. So I have saved my kubeconfig file. So this file you have to upload inside the Jenkins. So that's why I have created one document, one file. Then I uploaded that kubeconfig file. So same document here. See cat cd root, see cat command, then create a document, create one document, then provide, then execute the Jenkins server. I will explain how to upload that kubeconfig file inside the Jenkins server. So you just need to get all plugins. Still plugins are installing. Why today taking this much of time for installing all these plugins? Internet is also working fine. We have only less time, but it is getting to delay. No need Prometheus, only Grafana is enough. I will upload this document as well in the GitHub repository. You can work on later. So all these things are available. So we just need plugins installation. Still it is installing. Still. Still it is installing the plugins. Oh. Okay. Meanwhile, let me upload Docker credentials. So we need to integrate Docker. So let me upload Docker credentials. So go to the Manage Jenkins, click on the credentials, click on the credentials, click on System, click on Global Credentials, click on Add Credentials. Please go with the username with the password because of I'm going with my Docker Hub username and this is my Docker Hub. Scroll up. So this is my username. You have to provide your username. Come to the Jenkins, provide username, then password. Let me give my actual password of my Docker Hub. Okay, I have provided. Then ID Docker Hub hyphen credential. Great. Then paste it. Provide it. See, Docker credentials has been uploaded. So meanwhile, let me upload our kube config file. See here we have uploaded kubeconfig file, right? Same file have to provide. Same again click on add credentials. Click on here. See if you look for secret file. See because of the kubeconfig file is available in the form of file. So that's why you should choose secret file. Click. Then click on the choose file. Look for your file name. Where it is available, documents. Look for kubeconfig 25. Kubeconfig 25. This one. Click on open. Yeah. See kubeconfig is uploaded. Same document. Here it is available. See, click, choose file. It's the same document. So now let me come to here. See, provide kubeconfig. Same description also here to you. Kubeconfig. So let me create. So now the thing is, we have to provide AWS credentials. So for that, we need to plugin. So the plugin is not installing. So here you can able to see option AWS credentials. So we need to wait up to completion of plugins. So we need finally plugins. Download progress. Still plugin is installing. Why it is getting this much of time? See, it is available, AWS Access Credentials. So we need to install this plugin. Docker plugins has been installed. Yeah, Docker plugins has been installed here. So let's try to create a stage for Docker, for Docker. So meanwhile, these plugins will be installed. Okay, no problem. Now come to the manage Jenkins. You need to configure Docker tools. So firstly click on the tools. Click on the tools. Look for Docker credentials. Docker installation. No, Docker plugin is not available here. In tools only, the Docker plugin should be available. Here it is available, but it is not available. Still plugins are installed. So it is getting too late for installing the plugins. So can we go with the manual deployment? Then I will explain how to monitor the application. So because we are only 3 minutes or 4 minutes left. So let me get the application repository. Let me explain how to set up a monitoring tool. So copy the repo URL. What was the branch name? Master. So come to the Kubernetes cluster. Then git clone, provide the repo URL, -b, mention your master branch name. So once the plugin is installed, I will explain how to apply a application also. So meanwhile, let me explain regarding monitoring setup. Then we need to monitor, right? Then enter the repository, give ls. Let me apply YAML files one by one. Firstly, we should apply MongoDB database YAML files, as we have discussed yesterday. That's it. Then kubectl, apply -f. Then service YAML file. It's created. Now let me apply kubectl apply -f, then user deployment, enter. It's created. kubectl apply -f, service YAML file also, copy, enter. Then look for kubectl get all. See, pods are creating, still creating. DB pods are came up. Our application pods are still creating. Just wait. Yeah, all pods are came up. So now you can set up your monitoring. Just go to the Grafana. See, whenever you want to set up monitoring, you need a data source. See, data source is nothing but where you can able to get the data. If you want to monitor your application, you need data. Without having data, how can you monitor? So further, you should understand about how to create a data source in Grafana. See, let me explain. See, look at the screen. Left side of the screen, there is a connections. Click on the connection. See, there is a data sources. Click on the data sources. Okay, add a data sources. Click on the add data source. So click on the Prometheus. See, Prometheus is a data source for exposing or for providing metrics for our application. So click Prometheus. So then come down. So you should provide Prometheus URL. So let me get the Prometheus URL. So for that, we should expose Prometheus as a load balancer. This is for Grafana. This is for Prometheus. You export the Prometheus. Then check kubectl get all -n monitoring namespace. Yeah. Now let me copy the Prometheus external IP address. Copy. Open the new tab. Just paste it. Colon 3000, not 80. Okay, no problem. So let me copy the external IP address of Prometheus. So let me copy. Come to that Grafana, just provide it. Let me remove the forward slash. Come to here. Yeah, that's it. Now come down. No need authentication. Leave as default remaining steps. Go to bottom. Just click on the save and test. Let's see what will happen. Testing. This could take up a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, check the Jenkins pipeline. Oh, still it is creating. Okay. There was an error, return query. Let me save and test. Okay, it is not getting the data source. So let me get this IP ID. Can you import the dashboard? You can import the dashboard. Come to the Grafana. Come to the dashboard. Click on new. Click on the import. Then provide the ID. Then load it. Then choose Prometheus. Import it. So this is the dashboard of our application. So here you can able to see how much memory is uses, how much CPU is uses, how much file system is uses. All these things here you can able to see. So it will take for loading. It will take time to loading. So let me check. Yeah, we are getting late. Jenkins pipeline is still installing the plugins. So we are running late. So I'm going to stopping as of now. So don't bother about. I have documented everything. You can try to go with this document. You can set up your monitoring tools. Already we have set up monitoring. Monitoring part was completed. See, database is available, but data is not available, but it will take time to came up. So don't bother about. Then we have to discuss about Jenkins pipeline. So I have documented each and everything. Don't bother about. So right now I'm stopping as of now. I will upload all the documents in the GitHub repository. Don't bother about it. Okay. Yes, Sushmita.
Yeah, thank you.
Take your hand over.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes.
So I hope your session has been helpful for the students. So thank you so much. So kindly share the materials with me so that I will upload all the materials to the LMS. Student can access it. So yes, students, I'm sharing the assessment link on the chat. So there are 30 questions and 30 marks. It is still 8:50. It is for 20 minutes. Okay. 20 to 25 minutes, you can take it out. So I'm just sharing it. Please read out the questions carefully and start taking assessment. Uh, then I'll let you know. After this, there are the updates. I will let you know. Okay. Please start taking the assessment right now. I have shared the assessment link on the chat. Start taking it. As I told, kindly read the question and start taking. So students, I hope you all done with the assessment. I just need a quick response on the chat, whether you have done or not. If you are done with an assessment, kindly drop a message as done. So I know you all are waiting for attendance link. I'll be sharing in 5 minutes. Before that, I wanted to share one details. It's a GMB review link. I'll be sharing in chat right now. Okay. Before that, please. Okay, someone asking just want 5 minutes. Fine, no issues. That assessment link sheet is active till 8:55. You can take till that. After that, like make sure that you will be completing before 5:50. Sorry, 8:55. Okay, fine. I hope you all completed. I got so many messages that you all are completed the assessment. So right now, I'm just sharing one link that will be GMB review link. So what you have to do, you have to give the review. Okay. So how you felt the session, like from day one to till last day, till date 15, how you felt the session? So like you can give in like one or two sentence, like how you felt, how was the session, whether the session was useful or not. Okay. And please be noted, don't mention it as a free. Okay. Don't mention it as a free. Just give a review how you felt about the session. Okay. So I have just shared the link on the chat. That is a GMB review link. Kindly start giving it, as this is also a very important. Please give the review. Once you all done, please ping me on the chat that you have done, so that I can go and share you the attendance link. So I will wait for 5 to 6 minutes. Please fill the please give the review. I'm just repeating. Please don't mention it as a free. Just write something like about the session. I hope you all cleared what I said, which I have shared the GMB review link on the chat. Kindly click on that link and start giving the review. Okay. Don't mention it as a free. Just mention how you felt about the session. Like in a 2 or 3 sentence, you can just mention it. I will share you the attendance link in few minutes. Before that, kindly give the review if you have done. Please like ping me on a chat that you have done with the review. Okay, I hope you all done. So I'm getting so many messages. Thank you for the response. So right now, I'm just sharing attendance link on the chat. Kindly mark your attendance. As you all know, 60% of attendance is mandatory to get the certificate. So you people have a doubt related to certificate. I really agree. I will answer for all those. So I have just shared the attendance link on the chat. Kindly mark your attendance. And if you have any like questions to be asked, you can just ask. So the chat will be open. Please ping your questions on the chat. I will just answer it. So before that, I just wanted to let you know related to certificate. Certificate, if you secured 60% or above 60% of attendance, then you will get the certificate for your registered mail ID. Okay. So if the session is completed today, we need at least 10 to 15 days to issue the certificate. So please don't come and ask by tomorrow only for the certificate. Please be waited till at least for 10 days. Before 10 days, you will receive the certificates. If you have secured 60 or above 60% of attendance only, you will get the certificate. And certificate will be shared to your registered mail ID. Okay, I will wait for 5 more minutes. If any questions to be asked, you can ask it. You can ask it out so that I can answer. I will address all the questions. And one more thing, if you have any doubt or anything you wanted to know about the XLR, you can just drop a mail to edl@xlr.com. I'm just sharing the EDL mail ID on the chat, that was edl@xlr.com. If anything you wants to know, you can just drop the mail. There is one question. How many attendance are required to get the certificate? 60 or above 60% of attendance. At least you have to be attended 9 or 10 days. Then only you will receive the certificate. I mean, if you have marked all the days. Okay, any other questions or query? How do we know our attendance percentage, madam? So, sorry, you're not able to check in your attendance percentage. You have to keep in your mind like how many days you have been attended. Ma'am, is the certification is based on the assessment or only attendance? It is based on only attendance. Assessment we conducted just for your knowledge. So assessment will be not effective for your certificate. So you no need to worry. Attendance only will be calculated for the certificate. Ma'am, new course for upcoming days. Yes, sir. Actually, yeah, just yesterday we have started one SDP on ACE coding. Okay, I'll be sharing that registration link on the chat. So just yesterday we have started. If you're interested, you can just register over there. And from tomorrow, you can join the session. So I'll be sharing the registration link on the chat. So if you are interested, you can join the session. Even that session is as the same. It's a student development program on ACE coding interview. Okay. So it is also a free program. If you are interested, you can register and you can start attending the sessions from tomorrow. Its registration link, I have just shared it.
Yeah, hello, Susmita. Can I have word with students?
Yeah, sure, sir, you can.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for cooperating the entire 15 days. I think you learned many more about DevOps methodologies, DevOps tools. We have discussed a lot about the tools. We have discussed many real-time analogies also. I compared with real-time analogies how the DevOps is going to work. All the tools is how the tools how is going to work. So regarding things, I have taken some real-time analogies. I hope you understand very well. Okay, if you have any questions, please you can ask regarding the concepts. I can help you. So regarding the monitoring setup, I have uploaded all documents. Pipeline also have uploaded all the documents in the GitHub repository. Please go through on the GitHub repository. There you can get all the documents of our course. So this is from our end. Thank you so much, and all the best for your future.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So for all this wonderful session, for all the 15 days, thank you so much. So we'll meet again on next SDP or FDP sessions.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you so much. Yeah, sure.
Thank you, guys. See you. Bye. Take care.
Okay. Yeah, please. Yes, students, you can just ask the questions. Ma'am, when will get the certificate? As I already informed, please wait for 10 to 15 days. Before that, only you will receive it. Within that, you will receive the certificate. Any other questions? Yes, I'm just sharing, resending the attendance link on the chat. Girish, please tell your query. What was your query? What you wanted to know? From Soumya, there is one message, ma'am. If we have attendance, we got the certificate through mail directly. Yes. You will get the certificate for your mail ID. Sangam Rupa, after 9:40, I have sent in my answer sheet. No issues. As I told, assessment is not a mandatory thing you have to complete. That is uh, for your knowledge purpose. Attendance is important. Yeah, Chaitra, just answer for your question. Is the next SDP free course? Yes. I mean, if you attend SDP Student Development Program, that is for a free. Monica, ma'am, I'm eligible for certificate. So I really don't know. We have to check. Kindly wait. Any other query, any other questions, please drop a mail to edl@xlr.com. We will help over there. So it is the, we are already timed up, so we will wind up for the day. If any questions or any concern or anything, issues related to XLR or anything you wanted to know related to XLR or XLR courses, if you wanted to join any courses or any classes, if you wanted to attend, you can drop a mail to edl@xlr.com. We will help you over there. Yes, Amit, please, you can ask. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for joining these classes for all the 15 days. I hope the sessions has been helpful for you all. Thank you all. We'll meet again on other next SDP. If you are interested to join, you can join. We'll meet over there. Thank you all.